For this one right here, this one I did before, just in case you didn't see it, I just put the tutorial up again. So this is a tabletop from Five and Below. So it's a little side table. I was going to do something different with this, but you can just sand it down so the paint will grip to it. And then I painted it white. I gave it a couple coats. I went around all of the edges, let it dry. And then I took these candles from Lowe's, you can get them from Home Depot, and I put those on. I went on the Cricut and I made up a little thing to put on. I changed my mind because that was a pain in the behind to weed out. But you can also do this with a stencil. You can use stickers. You can do this so many different ways. But this was the easiest way for me. So then I went with this bunny right here. Less problems to weed out, much easier. So then I transferred it to the transfer paper and put that on there. And I just love how this came out because it is so cute and so simple. And again, you can do this in different ways. You can layer your colors. You can have more of a vibrant color. But I just like the simple black and white because it can go with a lot of different things. And it is such a statement with just those two colors. So I love this one.